In this video, I will show you how to make chicken in red pasta sauce with mozzarella cheese on the top. For this, take a chicken breast and cut into a small pieces as shown. Spread the chicken pieces on the baking tray. Then add salt to taste. Then add olive oil. Spread the olive oil and the salt evenly on all the chicken breasts. Then add half teaspoon of black pepper. Then add minced garlic or cut the small garlic into small pieces and add into the chicken. Then add 1 teaspoon of basil. Basil give a great taste to this chicken. Then add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes for medium spicy. Spread all the spices on the chicken breast on both sides. Then add pasta sauce onto the chicken breast and spread evenly on both sides of the chicken breast. If needed, add extra pasta sauce onto the chicken. Then spread evenly. Then add the mozzarella cheese on the top. Then add some Italian seasoning. Then add a little bit of chili flakes. This is optional. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Cover the tray with the foil and bake the chicken for 50 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit in the oven. After 50 minutes, take out the foil and let it grill or broil for 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, then our chicken in red sauce with mozzarella cheese is ready to serve, which you can serve on the spaghetti or with the white pasta or any pasta of your choice. Try this recipe at your home and let me know in the comment section how you like this recipe. If you like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my videos.